you doing, everyone? My name is Teddy Delaney.
I'm Rob.
I'm Adam.
And we are here today at Lackawanna College in our temporary esports gaming facility. We are here today to show off a little bit of the equipment that we're going to be using in this upcoming esports season. We don't want to waste any time, so let's get right into it. Alright, first of all, we want to get some of the peripherals out of the way and save the good stuff for last. So here we have the Alienware Pro Gaming Mechanical Keyboard. It comes equipped with 15 programmable macro key functions and tons of RGB.
Because you don't want a keyboard that doesn't light up.
Exactly.
16.5 million colors.
All right, are we moving on?
Yes.
All right, well, let's get this one out of the way. All right, next up, we're going to go with the HyperX Cloud Alpha Pro Gaming Headset. Now, a couple things you do need to know about this is that it's full aluminum construction. We're not talking plastic here, we're talking metal, right? And we're talking with memory foam, HyperX signature earphones, all-day comfort. This is the same stuff they put on the space shuttle. Magic headphones.
Very nice.
Completely customizable to each individual head.
What?
So,
oh.
yeah, there you go. All right, get these out of the way then, we can keep moving on.
So the last of our peripherals here is our Logitech G502 Proteus Spectrum Gaming Mouse.
Fancy.
It is fancy.
Yeah, there's a lot of angles on that there, Adam.
Well, it's fancy enough to also have a lighting scheme, just like the keyboard. So here itself is the mouse.
It looks like a mouse, but
It's so much more than a mouse, Robert.
Is it?
I would say there's more, like what Teddy has in his hands right now. Weights.
Yes.
When we're talking about weights, why would you need weights for your mouse? Well, we can put the weights in the bottom. We can customize the weight of your mouse to your gaming needs.
and that's for muscle memory, is that correct?
Correct. And along with training their muscle memory with the weight in the mouse, there are also 7 programmable buttons
That's
on
a
this
total
thing.
of 5 more buttons than a normal mouse.
Yes, it also has
Good
a
math.
DPI Reducing Button. Therefore, when you're using long-range utilities in any of the games that we are playing, it will slow down your DPI so you have more accuracy.
Alright, and now we are on to the good stuff. Here we have the Alienware 25-inch gaming monitor equipped with 240 Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time. We're going to open this bad boy up and I'm going to let Adam, our esports IT specialist, go a little bit more in depth on what we have to offer with this beast.
The G-Sync, there's a motherboard actually in the back of these monitors that synchronizes with the actual graphics card inside the computer itself. What that does is it eliminates lag time between what's going on in the game, the processor on the gaming card, and what you see on your monitor. There's no screen tearing, so you're not going to see the screen separate on you. The lag time is going to be much shorter, so when something gets fired in your direction, you're going to know there's not going to be a wait for it.
Alright, we'll get this out of the way and we'll open up the beast of the tower. And here we have the Alienware Aurora A7, I believe.
7.
Gaming desktop. This thing is a peach. Go. Alright, within this bad boy we have an 8th gen i7 Intel Core processor. We have a NVIDIA GTX 1080 gaming graphics card, 16 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte hard drive.
The amount of engineering in this is incredible.
She's a real beaut, Clark. Alright, now that we've seen it, let's piece this bad boy together and get some gaming. Get out of there!
Oh, yes!
Oh, come on!
Oh God. Don't get that.